Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to write 10 sentences on Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is the tallest sculpture in the world with a height of 182 meters. It is the sculpture of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Iron Man of India. The statue depicts the quality of Sardar Patel of uniting 562 princely states. It is situated on the Sadhu Bet Island on the Narmada River in Gujarat, India. The statue was inaugurated on 31st October 2018 by the Prime Minister of India. The sculpture is made with bronze cladding and surrounding of steel, which is fortified by cement and metal covering. The sculpture of the statue was designed by Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri recipient Ram Vanji Sutar. Approximately 3,000 workers and 300 engineers were employed for the project. The statue has an inbuilt gallery which provides a magnificent view of Sardar Sarovar Dam. The base of the statue has an exhibition hall that displays the achievements of Sardar Patel. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.